Good morning and Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. In previous lesson, I gave you the concept of number 3 and today I am going to teach you how to write the number 3 on board. Okay students, tell me, which is the first number? The first number is 0. The first number is 0. And words come after 0? 1. Words come after 0? 1. And words come after 1? 2. Words come after 1? 2. And words come after 2? 3. This is the number 3. Okay students, remember that this is the curve. This is the backward curve. What is this? This is a backward curve. We use this curve to make a 3. Okay students, let's start. Look at the board. First of all, I place a 3 dot. 1, 2, 3 in vertically. I place a 3 dots in vertically. At the top dot, curve to second dot and curve to the last dot. This is the number 3. Once again, 1, 2, 3. At the top dot, curve to the second dot and curve to the last dot. This is number 3. Once again, 1, 2, 3. Start at the top dot, curve and then curve to the third dot. This is number 3. Once again, place 3 dots in vertically. Start at the top dot, curve to the second dot and curve to the last dot. This is number 3. Okay students, tell me, how many oranges are there? There are 3 oranges. 1, 2, 3. And how many stars are there? 3 stars. 1, 2, 3. Okay students, all of you practice it at home. And in case of any query, please contact me on my email ID. Take care. Khuda Hafiz.